right about now.
I see him coming, huh? That's what I heard him say. The 38, the same colors, the Chevrolet. 501's on, gangsters looking good. I'm in the club, home, chucking up the hood.
Snoop Dogg moj brata, šuštinu matra. Znao sam da ću da repujem sa njim kad-tad. Nije teorija, nije me zove jer sam baha. Sad jeste jer u vilicu sam mu nabio lakat. Izvini Snoop Dože i pokupi zube, da bi sutradan mogao da jedeš burek. Stalno neke kurve dolaze u ured, ispuše nam pokure i izbace džubre. Pripreme nam džuveče, dobar je za flow. Čika Nenade da fit Snoop Dogg i Dough. Pravimo turneje širom zemlje i yo, a njegove kurve mi masiraju balls. Moje ujka Snoop Doggov prijatelj dobar, pa mi sredio rep da snimam probam. Ispostavilo se da sam mnogo dobar, za 2 godine ću da budem bolji od Snoop Dogga. Stoga on ide u propast, ja nastupam isto njega, on ide u otpad. Možda pređe i na reggae, znaš ono Džarostra, al ja sam bolji što se tiče hip-hopa.
Boss dog chillin', looking like a million. Yeah, got it, I'ma leave it to my children. Tonight I'm on some other and baby loving it. Hella fast, grip that like the oven mitt. I'm gooned up, boy, richest boy. Black and gold brakes, that's my truck, boy. I'm on my east side, I'm working. I got the party going, and it's jerking. My n****s all on, we rollin' out thick. Getting in, you better pick 'em. Cause when I shut it down, the party's over with. She call me Superman, I'm on my soldier shit. Boss dog, get 'em, I sick 'em and take 'em home. West Coast, I'm on my phone. I'm gigging on these, do 'em like dominoes. And slam 'em on their back and tell 'em promenade.